In this video, I am going to talk about top 21 free certification courses, and these all are offered by Amazon Web Service. In this course, you'll be able to learn about virtual hosting, container management, and serverless computing. So let's see what are these 21 free certification courses that you can do here. So here the first course is Accelerating Messaging Modernization with Amazon AMQ. It is the fundamental course, and the duration of this course is 30 minutes. And the second course is here, Planning an AWS Outpost Implementation. It is an intermediate course. The duration of this course is 75 minutes. And here the third course is Introduction to AWS Inferentia and Amazon EC2 in F1 instance. It is also fundamental course, and the duration of this course is 15 minutes. And the next course is here, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service EKS Premier. It is intermediate course, and the duration of this course is 1 minute. The next course is Deploying and Scaling Applications with Amazon Lightsail. It is fundamental course, and the duration of this course is 2 hours. The next course is Amazon Elastic Container Service ECS Primer. It is intermediate level course. The duration of this course is 30 minutes. The next one is Introduction to Containers. It is also intermediate course, and the duration of this course 15 minutes. The next one is Deep Dive on Container Security. It is advanced level course, and the duration of this course is 30 minutes. Next course is Introduction to AWS Auto Scaling. It is a very short course. The duration of this course is 10 minutes, and it is fundamental level course. The next one is Introduction to AWS Fragate. It is fundamental course and also short course. The duration is 10 minutes. The next one is Introduction to Amazon EC2 System Manager. So it is fundamental course, and the duration is short, 10 minutes. The next one is Understanding Placement Groups. It is very short course, and the duration of this course is only 6 minutes. It is fundamental course. And the next one is Introduction to Dedicated Instance. It is 15 minutes course and fundamental course. The next one is Introduction to Amazon Elastic Load Balancer Application, fundamental course with 15 minutes duration. The next course is Introduction to Amazon Elastic Container Services. It is 10 minutes and fundamental course. Next one is Introduction to EC2 Auto Scaling. Next one is here AWS Compute Service Overview. Next is Introduction to AWS Batch. The other one is Introduction to AWS Elastic Beanstalk. And the last course is here, Introduction to Amazon Elastic Container Registry. So these are free certification courses. To enroll this course, you just need to simply click here, sign in. When you click here, sign in, then you need to select here from all regions and click here again, sign in. Then you need to use your mail address, password, and sign in if you have already an account. But if you're new here, then you need to click here, create Amazon account. Then you just need to simply use your new email address, password, and create account. And after that, you'll be able to launch or do these free courses. So if you face any problem in case of signing or creating new account here, please comment here. Then I will help you to create your account here.